Okay, so information assurance and security play a critical role in safeguarding an organization's sensitive data and ensuring the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of information. One key aspect of information assurance is personnel security, which involves measures to protect information from unauthorized access or disclosure by individuals within an organization. This encompasses background checks, security clearances, and training programs to educate personnel on security best practices. Security awareness training is crucial in developing a security conscious culture within an organization. So personnel must be educated on the latest cyber threats, social engineering techniques, and the importance of maintaining strong passwords. Because we are always advised to have at least 8 or more than uh, passwords, no? Alphanumeric, no? Regular training sessions helps employees recognize potential security risks and respond appropriately, now reducing the likelihood of human error leading to security breaches. So access control is another vital element in personnel security. Implementing the principle of least privilege ensures that employees have the minimum level of access required to perform their job duties, limiting the potential damage caused by insider threats. Role-based access control and robust authentication mechanism further enhance access security. Ongoing monitoring of personal activities is essential for detecting any abnormal behavior or signs of malicious intent. Security informations and event management system can be employed to analyze log data and identify unusual patterns or activities that may indicate a security incident. So, incident response place should be in a place to guide personnel on how to respond to security incident promptly. Because this involves a coordinated effort to contain, eradicate, and recover from security breaches, minimizing the impact on the organization's operation. Physical security measures are also contribute to information assurance. Restricting access to data centers, server rooms, and other critical infrastructure ensures that only authorized personnel can physically interact with sensitive information system. We could able to adapt using surveillance systems, biometric access controls, and secure entry points further enhance physical security. As a personnel or employee, we must be aware of the importance of data encryption, both in transit and at risk, to protect information from unauthorized access. Encryption technologies help safeguard sensitive data even if it falls into the wrong hands. Regular security audits and assessment are essential to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses in our organization's information security posture. And this assessment should include both technical evaluation of systems and the processes, as well as evaluation of personnel or employee adherence to security policies. So, compliance with industry standards and regulations is the key component of information assurance. Organizations must ensure that their security practices align with legal requirement and industry best practices, and the personnel should be trained to understand and adhere to these standards. Security awareness extends beyond the workplace. Employees should be cautious about sharing sensitive information on social media and be aware of the potential risk associated with personal devices connected to corporate networks. Mobile device management solutions can help enforce security policies on employee-owned devices. Collaboration with human resource is essential in maintaining personal security. So Human Resource Department plays a crucial role in onboarding and offboarding process, ensuring that employees receive proper security training and that access is promptly revoked upon employment termination. Continuous improvement is fundamental to ensure the information assurance. Organizations should regularly review and update their security policies and procedures to address emerging threats and vulnerabilities. This includes adapting personal training program to reflect the evolving landscape of cyber threats. So, it means to say that personal security is a multifaceted component of information assurance encompassing training, access controls, monitoring, physical security, and compliance. A holistic approach that combines technical solutions with human-centric policies is crucial for building a robust defense against the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. Organizations must invest in both technology and personnel to create a resilient and secure information environment. This time, I'll just want to play a video presentations of a discussions of this topic last time.